Welcome. Imagine a world shrunk down to microscopic dimensions, a realm where the very building blocks of life, blood and cells, become the landscape. This is where we journey today. We're diving deep into the intricate, fascinating world of the human body, viewed under the all-seeing eye of the microscope. Our destination? The secrets hidden within us. Let's start with blood. It's the river of life, carrying oxygen, nutrients, and immune cells throughout our bodies. Under a microscope, blood transforms. Red blood cells, or erythrocytes, are the workhorses. They're like tiny biconcave discs, designed perfectly for squeezing through capillaries to deliver oxygen. Then there are the white blood cells, or leukocytes, the body's defense force. These cells, with their varied shapes and functions, patrol, detect, and destroy threats like bacteria and viruses. Platelets, small, irregular fragments, are critical for blood clotting. Observe them closely, and you can almost see them working to patch up any damage. Each drop of blood is a universe unto itself, a complex ecosystem of cells all working in concert. Now let's zoom in further and explore cells. The cell is the basic, structural and functional unit of all known living organisms. The human body is composed of trillions of these tiny structures. Under the microscope, a cell is a bustling city. The nucleus, the cell's control center, holds the DNA, the blueprint of life. The cytoplasm, the gel-like substance inside the cell, is filled with organelles, each with a specific function. Mitochondria, the powerhouses, generate energy. The endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus are involved in protein synthesis and modification. Every organelle works together to keep the cell alive and functioning. Different cell types, such as muscle cells, nerve cells, and skin cells, have unique structures and functions. Muscle cells are long and fibrous, allowing for contraction. Nerve cells, or neurons, have long extensions to transmit electrical signals. Skin cells are tightly packed, forming a protective barrier. But the real magic happens when we look at the secrets. What happens when these cells malfunction? Diseases like cancer, which is essentially the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells. The microscope helps us understand these diseases by revealing the changes in cell structure and behavior. Genetic disorders, which result from errors in our DNA, can also be viewed at a microscopic level. The microscope allows scientists to visualize these errors and understand their impact. The microscope is a powerful tool for diagnosing and treating diseases. It allows doctors and researchers to identify pathogens, monitor the progression of diseases, and develop new treatments. So, as we zoom out, we realize the incredible complexity and beauty of the human body. Every cell, every drop of blood tells a story.